Hey guys, now this is the photo and this is the AI generated video. And this is the photo and this is the AI generated video. Well guys, in this video I'm going to share you two tools. Using this you can easily convert any image into a AI video, and also you can use it for multiple times. It's like unlimited, and as well as it's free, very fast. You no need to wait in queue, and there is no subscription or buying credits. So there is nothing like that. Now the first tool is Google Flow. Using this you can create a multiple AI videos using your image itself. So just you have to click on this create with the flow, and you need to just log in with your Google account. Now here click on new project. Now in this option just to click on it and click on frames to video option. Here it is, frames to video. Click on plus icon, upload your photo. Once you upload it, if you want portrait or landscape, based on that select it and click on crop and save. After uploaded, now just to say something. So whatever you want in that image, so just to say, just write it something. I just written make a video like the spider dancing. So like this, whatever creativity you have or whatever wish you have, so write that and click on this next option. So now it takes a few seconds, maximum 60 seconds. So within that it create the video. Now we got the video. So I'm just clicking on play. So this is really cool, right? In the Google Flow, what I really like means, so what the things you are typing, so based on that, it automatically create the background sound also. So almost it's a really good this video. So like this, you can convert any images to video, AI video generation for multiple times. But if you do it for frequently means in Google Flow, you might experience some error like it's overloaded or timeout. So like that you might experience. But after some time, you can again do the same things for multiple times for free of cost, and also it's a very fast. And the next tool is a really good one. So this is Meta AI. Meta AI is also really a good tool to convert your image into your video. So and also it's a very fast, responsive, and no cost. So you can create multiple AI videos using your photo. So for this, firstly, you need to log in with your Meta AI using your Facebook or Instagram account. After logged in, now here is the option. Just to click on this plus icon and add your photo. Now we are going to add the same photo we added in the Google Flow, and we are going to use the same keyword. So let's see which platform actually deliver the good AI video. So now that's it. I have used the same keyword. Now I am click on the send. And similarly, as like Google Flow, Meta AI is also really fast. Within 60 seconds, it generate the video. So now this is the video from Meta. Now I'm going to share you some comparison videos between Google Flow with Meta AI. So let's see which one is good. So based on my first impression, what I see is that in Google Flow, the clarity is good enough. So it almost looks real to the life. But in Meta AI, you feel like the AI processing is slightly more in the Meta AI. But the thing is that in Meta AI, in most of the scenarios, it almost in the same circumstance. So for example, if you're in what area, in that same area only all that video generation will be happen. But in Google Flow, in some videos, let's say in this video, that animal is actually comes in the different location. But in Meta AI, it actually generates the video perfectly in that same location. So this is the core difference. Mostly both these platforms are really good for generating videos.